Let's make some plastic Peekaboo fruit bowls that are washable. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. Friends, you're in for a treat. I have finally gotten my oldest daughter to join me in making a craft, and this is what she did. She wanted me to do it, and I said, no, you do it. So we have some plastic bowls. You can get them at Dollar Tree, whatever. This came in a pack, and we're going to do dots all on the back. I think she's using black chalk paint. Do that all on the back, then let it dry. Once that's fully dry, you're going to use a dauber, and you're going to go all around the bowl with red chalk paint. You might have to do a couple of coats, but it's okay. Ta-da! There's that. Once that's dry, you're going to go over it all over again with some green. And again, we're using all chalk paints this time. Perfect. And you might have to do a couple layers. Once that's fully dry, put a layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it. All right, next bowl. We have white chalk paint, and then we're going to ombre pink. Well, it's red, but it's ombreing to look pink, and then do red all around the rest of the bowl. Then we're going to cover it with more, see how we're doing red to the edge? And then you're going to let that dry, and then cover it again with more of the red chalk paint. And I say we, I mean her. Olivia did all this. She's amazing. All right, so once that's fully dry, and it looks good, right? Again, you might have to do a couple coats, and that's okay. But once it's fully dry, then she's using some yellow. And this actually happens to be Dixie Belle paint. The color is Daisy. And she's just doing little dots all on the back. Again, this is all on the back side of the bowl. Okay, nothing's on the inside, so that way it's usable. And there's that. Adorable, right? Let that dry. Now, she first started just drawing in like leaves looking thing, but I gave her this little thing of daubers, and they had all different shapes, and she's using the triangle ones, and they look like leaves. It was a perfect idea. But then as she was doing it, I was like, gosh, you know what? Just doing a little loopy like scallop edge would have probably looked adorable. But there it is. You're going to let that dry fully. And then you're going to put dishwasher safe Mod Podge on top of that. And you want to let it dry fully. And friends, you have to stay to the end, to see the inside, because they're amazing. All right. So the next bowl she did the black dots, but she did like 5 of them, just like that. And then she's going to let it dry, then cover it with this off-white. The color is sheepskin. And we didn't go all the way up to the very tippity top, right? We left it a little bit feathered. Then we're going to cover that. Once that's dry, you're going to cover it with red chalk paint. Then after that, we put she did it. She drew some leaves on the back, and then filled them in with the green chalk paint. And then once that all was dry, we covered it with dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And you ready? What? Look at it. Watermelon. Adorable. I love it. I'm obsessed. This one, also obsessed. You ready? It's a strawberry. And that's what the strawberry looks like on the inside. What? I know. But here's our favorite. Are you ready? Look at this. This is the back. And ta-da! It's an apple. Yes, I am wicked excited because are you kidding me? Firstly, they came out amazing. But more importantly, I got my girl to join me in the thing that I love to do. This is win-win, friends. Win-win. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.